Imagine growing your money while you sleep, not through luck, but smart investing. If charts and financial terms ever confused you, don't worry. In this video, I'll break down everything simply so even complete beginners can start confidently. By the end, you'll know how to start investing, how much you need, and how to avoid beginner mistakes. Before we start, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more financial tips, online income ideas, and smart investment strategies. Why you should invest in the stock market. If you rely only on savings, inflation slowly eats away your money's value. Investing lets your money work for you, helping companies grow while you share their profits. Even small monthly investments, 500 or 1,000, can grow into lakhs over time through the magic of compounding. How the stock market works. Think of it as a big marketplace, but instead of buying products, you buy shares of companies. Each share gives you partial ownership. You earn in two ways. Capital gains, when stock prices rise. Dividends, when companies share profits. The goal isn't to trade randomly, but to invest in strong, trustworthy companies that grow steadily. Step-by-step guide to start investing. Step 1. Open a demat and trading account with a trusted broker. Zeroda, Grow, Upstocks, etc. Step 2. Complete KYC and link your bank account. Step 3. Research before investing. Study company performance and long-term potential. Step 4. Start small. 500 or 1,000 is enough. Step 5. Diversify across sectors like tech, banking, and energy. Step 6. Invest regularly, SIP style. Consistency beats timing. Step 7. Track progress, stay patient, and avoid panic over short-term changes. How much you need to start? You can begin with as little as 100 or 500. What matters most is consistency. Even 1,000 a month can grow into 5 to 10 lakhs in a few years, thanks to compounding. Smart tips to reduce risk and grow profits. Invest in quality companies with strong fundamentals. Ignore hype and hot stock tips. Think long-term. Wealth builds over years, not days. Reinvest profits to grow faster. Keep learning and stay informed. Final thoughts. Have you started investing yet? Or are you planning to? Comment below. I'd love to help you begin. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do its magic. The earlier you start, the more you gain. If this helped, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more financial wisdom. Your journey to smart investing starts today.